Get ready with me to feel fucking hot. Basically, really need to glam up this bit. Okay, first I'm just gonna start off with a glowy primer. This is Rare Beauty. I haven't used this in a while, but this is literally so glowy. Now I need to make this stick. So I'm gonna be using the NYX Plump Bright Back Primer as well. NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear. She is an OG. Every time I put this on, I'm obsessed still. So I'm gonna pop this on. This is in the shade Stromboli. I actually cleaned all of my makeup brushes last night, so I'm one happy girl. I also tanned, washed my hair, had an everything shower, so I'm feeling on top of the world right now. I'm just gonna go shopping after this for like Christmas decoration, so in the mood to start that now. I'm gonna pop some concealer on. This is the Born This Way concealer. Chisel out those cheekbones. I want to look literally snatched. I need to put some music on because it's a bit depressing up in here.
Let's go, girl.
Absolutely. Left some concealer in the inner corner. I want to let that set a little bit before I blend it out. Like cream bronzer, cream blush. So I'm going to take my Made by Mitchell curve case, the shade Shady Business. Now that I live in London, I want to make sure I do all of like the Christmassy bits, like ice skating. I'm definitely going to have to go to Winter Wonderland. All of that, the little markets. I want to make sure I make the most of it. Cream blush. I'm not going to use the blush in here. I'm actually going to go in with this e.l.f. blush. She looks mental, but trust me. Pop a little bit on the back of our hand. Also mix it with the Rare Beauty highlighter. Trust me, this combo. Get that on my cheeks immediately. Like, be for real. Literally gorgeous. I'm blending that concealer now, but I'm going to make sure to keep it just to that inner corner. This is where things are going to get extremely flawless. We're going to set this down with the Charlotte Tilbury Pressed powder. We're not even going to see my under eye anymore. Load up the powder puff and set the under eye. Look at the difference. It is literally insane. Right, turn this bitch up. Face is giving so hard right now. I literally look flawless. Can't even tell me different though, that's the thing. It's just a House Labs bronzer. You know how I feel about this. Also, some of you have addressed my nails. I hate them, don't look at them. Decided to go for short nails, but not out of I want to, because I don't have a choice. My nails were so unhealthy because of how long I kept doing them. Long nails kept snapping off because how bad they were. Anyway, yeah. Okay, perfect. Right, now we're gonna do blush. I actually haven't used these yet. The Buttermelt blushes from NYX. This is in the shade My Butter Hair. She is hot pink. Okay, I'm so here for that. I'm getting more and more obsessed with this base. And with a little bit of highlighter because we're very matte. I'm gonna take the Rare Beauty highlighter. This is in absolute shambles, so I'm gonna be very careful. I'm just gonna take my brush and pop it on my nose, my inner corner, and just my brow bone. Make sure to settle this base down now. So I'm just gonna take the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm just gonna do like a little black wing liner. This is just the Rimmel Wonder Ink eyeliner in the shade black. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and then I'm just gonna pop on some Sky High mascara. I want to do a little bit of a lash, so I'm going to use this from Unicorn Cosmetics. It's in the shade Bling Fairy. Pop some lash glue on these. We'll do our lips and then I'll stick them on. I haven't used this before. This is the new Maybelline Lifter Liner. This shade on it. I'm not going to lie to you, I might have a new favourite lip liner. This is a sensational colour. I'm going to go for my Anastasia Lip Velvet in Peachy Nude. Also a favourite of mine. Such a glowy nude lip. Okay, let's finish off though. I put in the lashes on. I'm going to take my Maybelline Waterproof Mascara and pop that on my lower lash line. Sorry. Did I not slay the house down in the boots? I feel so fucking hot. It's not even a joke. The girl at the start of this video doesn't exist no more. This is my alter ego. I look so sexy. I actually can't deal. I'm gonna go shopping. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.